I shared a sell signal on V751S index with my premium members. You can see we're moving in good profit. So how was I able to know the market is going to sell from this point? What's my market analysis on this index? We'll be looking into all of that in today's video. So stay to the end of the video to understand this and get every detail on this. So first, I went to the higher time frame because whenever I want to analyze the market, whenever I want to look at for trade opportunities, I'll start from the higher time frames. It can be the daily time frame, the weekly time frame, the monthly time frame. But I always prefer starting from the weekly time frame, but in most cases the daily time frame. So you can see on the daily time frame that V751S index has been bullish in the past weeks and months now. Since April, we've had this long bullish run on the V751S index. And when we identify this trend line, when we identify this uptrend, you can see that this trend got broken at this point. We had a break of trend at this particular zone on the V751S index. This bullish run came to an end at this point, and we started getting a new phase of the market. The market started moving in a downtrend, creating lower highs and lower lows. So we got a high at this point, we got another high, a lower high. Let's identify this market structure, this new market structure. We got a high here, we got another high at this point, a lower high, we got another high at this point. This is the newest lower high the market formed, because we've been seeing the market create higher highs and higher lows at this point. This is the previous market structure. So at this point, you can see the market has shifted from an uptrend to a downtrend. So how do I know the market is going to sell from this particular zone? I firstly identified the market structure, which we did here. We've seen the market creating lower highs and lower lows, and we have a trend resistance at this point. Whenever the market gets to this point, it sells. Whenever the market gets to this zone, it sells. So there's a possibility of the market selling on the approach of this trend resistance. That's how I got the sell idea at this point. And we have a horizontal level of resistance as well, which I have to identify. We have this level as a key level. We've seen the market react on this level as a support, resistance. So there's a possibility of the market selling from this horizontal level of resistance. So I have to go to a lower time frame since I've mapped out my levels and zones and market structure on the day time frame. So the 4-hour time frame, we've seen that we got an approach on this horizontal level of resistance and our trend resistance. And there was a trend at this point as well. We got a break of this trend as this particular zone. We had this ascending channel, would say this is an ascending channel basically, which is a nice reversal structure, a nice reversal pattern. This is a rising wedge. Like we had the market create this little higher highs in this level to approach this our horizontal level of resistance and our trend resistance. So there was a break of this, there was a break below this structure. I needed the market to break out of this ascending channel for me to have proper confirmations on the sales at this point. So we got a break below this ascending channel structure with a retest at this point. So I sold on the retest of this structure. We had the market create a high at this point, another higher high, and the market created a low at this point. And we're getting the market formation of the new lower highs at this particular zone. So this market formation at this point is a reversal pattern, a good reversal formation. This is a left shoulder at this point, the head and the right shoulder formation. So I sold on the right shoulder formation at this point. This is a nice reversal pattern. So we could expect more sales on 751S index from this zone. We could expect more sales. I'm safe in the trade. I've moved my stop loss below my entry and everything's moving nicely well. So more sales expected at this zone. My first TP is at this point. My first TP as this last swing low. My second TP at this zone. My second TP here. My third TP at this point. So long-term sales expected on 751S index. So how to analyze further, I went to the 1-hour time frame. On the 1-hour time frame, the market created this consolidation, this market formation at this point. We had this noisy formation at this zone. You know, the market like struggled to break below this level of resistance because we had this level as a resistance level. This level was a resistance level. The market came to this point, sold. Then we got a break above this level, a retest on it as a resistance broke or turned support. The market has been acting on this zone as a support level. The break and retest on it. See the break of the retest on the market bought the first time, bought the second time. We had about 3-4 buys on this zone. The market struggled to buy at this point. This is indicating a low bullish strength, a low bullish momentum. Like this sluggish move of the buys, these sluggish buys at this point indicates a bullish momentum, a low bullish momentum, would say. So this is actually indicating that the bulls are running out of their buying strength, their buying pressure. So the bears finally took control of the market. They pushed the market to the downside, like to break this ascending channel. Remember, we spotted an ascending channel on the 4-hour time frame. Like they pushed the market below this structure, below this ascending channel. And on the retest of this level, on the retest of this zone, I needed the market to come give us a retest at this particular point for me to take my sales. It's a couple of confirmations at this zone. So we had this retest after the break of this ascending channel with this bearish indication, this bearish move we got at this zone. We had massive bearish engulfing candle formations at this point. So on the retest at this zone, the market is pushing to the downside. So I had to get into it with a couple of confirmations on the lower time frame. So I went to the 15-minute time frame. I needed the reversal pattern formation at this point for me to get into the trade. Market gave a double top formation, which is a nice reversal pattern. We got the first high at this point, we got a second high. So all I did was to wait for the market to break the neckline of this reversal pattern, because on every reversal pattern there's always a neckline. So we got the break at this point. There was a break at this zone. We had this break at this point. there was a break below this zone, so I took my sales at this point. I had my stop loss above this market structure. I gave the market space to move because I was strongly expecting the sales at this particular point, and we've seen how the market is selling. I've moved my stop loss below my entry and I'm safe in the trade. I've closed partials basically, and I'll still close more positions on our first TP being smashed at this zone. So that's why I took the sales on V751S index using simple price action market approach. Hit the like button for more videos like this and subscribe if you're new to the channel. And to my returning viewers, I appreciate your support for always engaging my videos. It really means a lot, guys. Let's do more and do have a wonderful day. Peace.